I'm Steve Berry. I'm here at the Carl T. Johnson Hunting Fishing Center in Cadillac, and I'm going to show you how to tie a spawn bag. It only takes a couple of minutes. What you do is you put your spawn in the middle of your materials. You take your thread and you wrap it around a few times like that. Make a half hitch between your fingers and pull it tight. You do that 3 times. And then you go on to your next one. You just leave it like that, and you can keep right on going. And typically I'll lay out a dozen of these so I don't have to trim it every time. And then I just keep doing them like that, and I do 3 knots, 3 half hitches. Then when I'm done, I cut my thread, and then I just trim it like that. You're good to go. That's all there is to it.